have to install first our lights to make our motorcycle colorful. Let's see. Come here. First is to get a star screw.
Oh my God! Wow!
Remove the side flarings of our motorcycle. And then come here. So this is the switch of our lights. Then see? No electricity. So before, to make our motorcycle powerful, we have to connect the wire of the positive. Okay. We have to connect. Oops! Then, done. So we need to lock. Then, let's check the lights of the motorcycle. Oh! Haha! This is the lights. Then, now, we need to install the speaker to make our motorcycle sound big bike into ordinary sound into a big bike. Therefore, we need to cut again the wire, the point of the wire. And this wire, we have to connect here in the yellow wire of the stator. And then this one, we need to connect it in the body ground of the motorcycle. Kahian, uy!
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Let's connect positive to the stator. This one is to the body ground of the motorcycle. So let's do it. Let's sound check. There we go. Let's sound check.
Oh my God! Wow!
today's video. So I have shared my knowledge about installing speaker on a motorcycle. That's it for today. Bye.